Hi friends!
Bay Bulls is a picturesque coastal town located on the Avalon Peninsula in Newfoundland and Labrador, Canada. It is situated approximately 30 kilometers south of St. John's, the capital city of Newfoundland and Labrador, and it's known for its stunning coastal scenery and proximity to wildlife-rich areas. One of the main attractions of Bay Bulls is its thriving whale-watching industry. The waters off the coast are frequented by humpback whales, minke whales, and orcas during the summer months, offering visitors an opportunity to witness these majestic creatures up close. Bay Bulls is also a haven for birdwatchers, particularly during the breeding season for seabirds such as puffins, razorbills, and kittiwakes. Nearby islands like the Witless Bay Ecological Reserve provide important nesting grounds for these species. The rugged coastline and pristine natural environment around Bay Bulls make it a popular destination for ecotourism activities such as hiking, sea kayaking, and boat tours. The area has a rich history dating back centuries, with evidence of early settlements and a strong connection to Newfoundland's maritime heritage. Visitors can explore historic sites like lighthouses and remnants of fishing communities. Beyond wildlife watching, Bay Bulls offers ample opportunities for outdoor recreation, including hiking trails like the East Coast Trail, which offers stunning views of the coastline and access to hidden coves and beaches. Bay Bulls is known for its tight-knit community and welcoming atmosphere. Local festivals, events, and traditional Newfoundland hospitality add to the charm of this coastal town. Overall, Bay Bulls is a hidden gem in Newfoundland, offering visitors a chance to immerse themselves in nature, experience local culture, and create lasting memories along the rugged shores of Canada's easternmost province.